Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create digital products mockup to sell on its. Mockup is very important for your product because mockups make your product look more professional and help you showcase them in a visually appealing way. And here you can see it's allow us to upload 10 photos to show our item. So we can create many different and beautiful mockups of one product. So let's start creating. To create a mockup, we need to open Canva website. In Canva, we can create many things like social media post, presentation, wall art, planners, etc. So let's search for the wall art mockup in the search bar. You can search anything, like if you want mockup for the digital planner, so for this search for the planner mockup. So here we can see Canva show us plenty of templates which we can use as it is, or we can use it by changing some colors, designs, flowers, etc. So let's choose one of these. I'll choose this one. Then click on this, customize the template. And here you can add your product. So first of all, upload your product in Canva. For this, click on this upload and then upload your file here. I have already uploaded my product, so let's add. First of all, let's delete this one and then add this. Now let's make the another one. For this I am going to add page and then click on this design and search for the wall art mockup and then choose any of this. Let's choose this one. And then delete this, and now I'm going to add this one. Let's change the position to backward. So guys, by this way you can create many mockups in just few minutes. Now to download this mockup, just click on the share button and then click on the download and download this. And then upload your product mockup on its. Here just click on this add a photo and add your product mockup here, and from here you can adjust your thumbnail, make it bigger, smaller, like this. So guys, by this way you can create many mockups in Canva to upload on Etsy. And if you found any valuable information in this video, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.